Yeah, whenever you're ready.
All right. Hey everyone, my name is Matthew Rangel, and today I'm going to be talking about my company, Root and Well. It's a marketing company for health and wellness brands, and incorporating health and wellness products and services into my daily routine has significantly improved my life. So it's products like these that make the world a better place, to keep it really simple. So natural and organic foods, holistic supplements, dog foods that make your pet live longer, skincare products. So all of these products and services in between make our world a better place, make us healthier, which is awesome. However, they really, have one big problem, and they have issues with scaling. And that's because of the high cost of paid advertising, the quick shifts in trends, and the large market share from big box retailers like Target, Walmart, and Whole Foods and Sprouts. There's so many, big stores where we get most of our products from. So how can we create a system where they can find the right audience and create an organic marketing and brand plan to really scale and create an impact that they like? So the solution here is a smarter, more profitable growth system where we can evaluate the digital health of these companies. The slides are moving, right?
You have to use this one to remove the.
Oh my gosh. There we go. Okay. Holy cow. So these are all the awesome products I was talking about. Here are the problems: paid ads, the quick shifts and trends, and then the big box retailers. So here's a solution. We evaluate the digital health to find opportunities for these companies to grow organically, creating strategies and services to meet these companies where they are, and having automation to continuously learn, based off of these, based off of the clients' customers and who they're trying to reach. So evaluation consists of brand messaging and analysis. It's kind of like, we're doing an audit, the first step. So first step here is evaluating the company, creating strategies and services that are special fit for the company, and having automation on our back end to help these companies grow. And this happens one step at a time with every company. Every company is different. Every brand is different. Each product is trying to reach a different customer. So, and the most important thing here is prioritizing first-party data. So being able to create high touch points so we can nurture these leads and really create a owned base for their customers. So, that they're not relying on bigger companies. So the go-to-market plan is creating organic content, great offers, and custom plans, having B2B outreach, attending industry events, and scaling with case studies. Competition outlooks. So the market outlook here is, it's a $600 billion industry. $33 billion is about, so this is this is about the average amount of marketing spend out of the 600 billion, and then 82.5 is if we were to capture 0.25% of that. This is like best case scenario on execution positioning. Competition, so you have your boutique local agencies, DIY softwares like social media scheduling, and then there's a company in the East Coast called Courtside. So health and wellness focus, building organic communities, automation, and we're priced for early growth. That's what's going to make us stand out. Bringing in sales, so tiered subscription and base services, tiered subscription-based services, proprietary client dashboard solutions, results-based revenue share models. So those are 3 ways we're going to make money. How are we going to make this happen? We need $12K in lead gen and outreach. For lead gen and outreach, we need $8K for software and tech and $5K for startup costs. That equals $25K. That's what I'm asking here today to make this happen and to get going. We need lead generation to give us those at-bats to really develop a product and a service that's going to stand out. So a bit about me. My name is Matthew Rangel. I have experience at a startup company where I helped raise over $150,000 in marketing and sales revenue. Also currently work at a large media agency where I work a part of State Farm Insurance. So anytime you see a Jake from State Farm ad, I probably had something to do with it. And also I have a digital marketing agency on the side called Solo 360, where I actively help small businesses with social media, web development, search engine optimization, and really looking forward to getting involved in the health and wellness space, which is something I'm passionate about. That's about it.
Excellent. Good job. You had 5 seconds left.
Thank you.
Really good job.
Hi, everybody. My name is PhillipRronnie, and I'm excited to tell you guys about Readcord. Readcord is a mobile platform and marketplace for electronic children's books. And on Readcord, users can record themselves reading children's books, and then these recordings can be played back over the top of each page of the book with a simple press of a button. Now, why is that important? The problem is 43% of children in the US have a parent who works a non-standard schedule. This works out to about 31 million kids. And I saw this problem firsthand when I was serving in the Marine Corps. Most noticeably, while I was deployed overseas, I worked alongside a great number of parents, parents with young kids and young kids who were not going to see their parents, their moms and their dads for 8, 9, 10 months. So how do we solve a problem like this? How can we bring families together, especially in times when they're apart physically? Readcord is the solution that came to me while I was taking a class at the Stanford Graduate School of Education. And the class was titled Child Development and New Technologies. And this class led me to ask questions like, what if we could capture the specialness of reading with your child? And what if as parents and as kids, we can relive those memories over and over again, while also reaping the benefits that reading alongside a child provides? And the answer that I came up with is Readcord. So I created Readcord so I can have a place for a audiovisual book library and preserve some of the more special moments that I spend with my kids. And I created this, and now I'm ready to push it out to the rest of the world. So for our users, if mom is busy working night shift, or dad is deployed overseas, or grandma lives across the other side of the country, children can still connect with their loved ones through stories and be able to hear bedtime stories at any time or anytime at all, right? Our business model is pretty simple. We make money through 2 different ways. Two primary ways would be we host authors and publishers and sell their books on our platform, and we split on those sales. And the other way is through our cloud storage, where we store audio recordings on our cloud for our users. And based on our research, we expect our users to be in our starter tier, which allows them to have a library size of about 50 books. And that tier goes for $4.99 per month. And our market opportunity, the children's book TAM and SAM are as follows. Sorry, text didn't turn out well here. But We have a 3-year target sum of $15 million. This works out to about having 1 million active subscribers. As far as traction, later this month, we are launching pilot programs with multiple business partners, with the largest partner being the Las Vegas Police Union. And we have also secured our first batch of authors and publishers, and we will have their titles for sale in our bookstore later this month. For competition, we see our biggest competition being Amazon Kindle, because they work to distribute titles like we do, but they don't provide the service of recording and playing back audio. There are mobile apps and web apps out there that allow for recording audio, but they don't do it in the same manner that we do. And unlike Readcord, they do not have legal distribution partnerships with authors and publishers. And the last major note is our competition, some of our competition leans heavily into AI, and we do not. This is because we really believe in giving our users genuine and heartfelt stories and capturing these memories. The team is just me right now. I am a local. I graduated here from Las Vegas High School. I also graduated from the Stanford School of Engineering through the program of computer science with focus in human-computer interaction. And perhaps most notably, I have 3 kids, and I built Readcord for them. And through using Readcord with them, I see the value and the impact that Readcord can have on families. And my ask is simple. For the audience, if you think Readcord is something that's interesting or you might find useful, you can learn more about us at readcord.com, and you'll find a link where you can download the app for free. And to Startup Envy, thank you so much for running this program. I would love for the opportunity to continue working with you and learning from you through Seed Vegas or Innovate Envy.
Look at that. Perfect timing. Great job.